Kavinaya from Yugamugi. We have manufacturers of soft silk and we have tussar selections also. Actually, we are doing two different products. One is soft silk, another one is tussar. We have several looms around Tamil Nadu, mainly around Pollachi, Salem, as well as in Erode. We have a lot of looms for the soft silk, handlooms, everything is handlooms. And we also have two factories, one is in Kalahasti and one is in West Bengal. West Bengal factory we do tussar, and on both the soft silk and tussar we do kalamkari, and that is the pure pen kalamkari. For that we have a factory in Kalahasti. Today we are going to see a beautiful collection in soft silk variety. Soft silk is made up of mulberry, you all know that, and here a double warp is the concept. Completely most of the sarees, almost every sarees here is made of double warp only. We concentrate mainly on the quality because the durability and quality is very important to us. And here we have a bordered collection, and these collections are just a selected collections in particular item, and we have more colors on the same. The buttas and the colors will vary, but the concept of the saree will be same. This is a border and butta collection. You can see the buttas, it's gold zari buttas with border, and we have a thin border also. And here we have big size buttas, and the color of the saree here is in deep purple. Purple is always a beautiful color and ladies love that color. For that we have a contrast pallu concept. All these collections will have contrast pallu, and the same way the pallu color blouse piece is given, and you can see a very pretty collection here with gold zari work. It's a rich border, and always our sarees will have pallu tassels already made. Next saree we can see, and here the saree price I will tell you. For this particular collection the price of the saree is 6,100 and plus shipping will come. And we also have a Pongal offer, Pongal and Makara Shankranti offer running now. So if you book till Pongal we have offer, so you can refer us for the offer. Definitely the cash discount will be given. Reducing that you can pay us. And next saree here is in beautiful traditional mango type buttas, but that butta will have beautiful details. You can see Rudraksha pattern inside it, and again the golden zari work is done here, the buttas also. Same way it's a 4-inch border, a big tissue border that is also done using golden zari with a thin border in the pallu color. The pallu is a beautiful bright light green. Here the green occupies in both body as well as in the pallu. You can see it's a mild color, the blue and green combination, the peacock neck blue and green, and the same way the blouse piece is in light green. And I would like to mention about the returns also here. We take return of the saree only if it is having any physical damage, that too with proper opening video. The opening video must have the parcel fully unopened, and you have to open the full parcel in the video itself, and you have to show the damage in the video itself. All are handloom sarees, so definitely it will be properly checked, and you will not have any only the handloom marks will be there. This is a saree which will have lot of handloom marks. You can see wherever the black weft is used, the thread will be visible. You can see here. People say these are damages. This cannot be accepted as damages. You have to understand this. Each saree will take almost 3 days for weaving, and it's a complete handloom weaving. For wherever the black or dark color comes, these kind of marks cannot be avoided. Please understand, and this cannot be accepted as damages. Please just understand before buying. Wherever you go, handloom sarees will have this mark. And you can see here for grey, green is given, light green again. And the same way, the butta color here given is in silver, very elegant silver zari. And for this particular combination, the silver zari looks apt. And next saree comes, and here it is a very pretty blue and pink combination. This is a rare combination here, bright blue and Ananda blue. And for that we have a butta that is also a kanji type butta, really pretty one with a 4 inches zari border and a thin border in pallu color. And the pallu is beautiful light pink. It's a baby pink here. Usually pink, Rani pink or magenta will come. Here we have a very beautiful light pink which is very pretty. And the same way the blouse piece is also in the pallu color. The pallu tassels are already made. And next to this, if you want to book any saree, you can take a screenshot of the saree which is in YouTube itself, and you will have a description box below. If you see the description box, the complete details of the saree along with the price is given. So along with that, we have the WhatsApp link. If you click that link, it will directly open to our window. So you can send the picture or screenshot, or if you want colors in this particular collection, you can ask for that. Then we will send you the whole collection. You can select from that. We have lot of collection. Actually, in this particular collection itself, we have around 35-40 sarees. Everything we cannot show in a single video. It is not possible. So we have selected few colors, making a pastel and a dark combination. So from that we are showing. So if you want, please do ask us. And here we have a pastel combination, a beautiful half white combination here, light sandal mix cream color with golden zari work. Here the butta is very pretty. You can see a mango, and we have the same tissue border, and the complete border as well as the zari work is golden one here with a red combination. It's a bright, beautiful dark red. So the combination is very pretty. And to purchase, you have to just select the sari and send us, and we will confirm you the availability of the sari. And once it is available, you can send us your courier address. We will give you the charges, how to pay, everything we will tell you. Either through GPay or through bank transfer, you can transfer us, and then we'll send you the courier in the same day. We don't delay. You have to be same day the courier will be sent. All our products are ready to dispatch only. We don't take any pre-bookings. Please beware of that. And we have a very beautiful color here, a light pastel shade again. It is a turquoise green and blue mixed shade with golden zari buttas. The buttas are very different here. You can see a leaf along with the floral pattern, and we have tissue border with a thin blue border, and the combination of the saree is a royal blue pallu. Really beautiful. The same butta concept is all over given in the pallu with plain blouse piece. Very elegant combination. Again, this is a rare combo here. Next comes a pastel shade with a dark combination. Peach is always loved by ladies. It's a rich color. Here we have a peach color saree with light pink mix. Exactly, if you want to say, it is a Kanakambaram color. You can refer in Google. It is a Kanakambaram color with very elegant gold zari buttas. The butta is very pretty. You can see a outline of a peacock with a leafy work. And we have very elegant tissue border in both sides with the thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a very different color here, a mehendi green with black mixed color combination. Very different color with the golden zari work. The work is very pretty, and we have plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Combination, you can see all our combinations usually we pick with very care, because it should be very different with the already having sarees. We don't use regular colors almost all time. Very rarely we have regular colors. And here we have a beautiful dual tone color, magenta pink mixed with orange here to get a beautiful glowy golden glow. You can see on the saree. Beautiful saree here, really pretty double shade color. And we have the buttas here. The concept of the buttas is very different. We have both small buttas, which is very pretty, and we have big buttas as well. It's kind of a bouquet concept. Elegant buttas, golden zari work, and we have tissue border as well as a thin border in pallu color. And the pallu is a very different gray here, deep gray it is, beautiful gray. On the gray, the work is very visible and beautiful, the golden zari work, and we have plain blouse piece. We have hand-picked the collections. We have another 30 to 35 sarees in the same variety. So please do send us a message, WhatsApp, and we also have a website. You can refer the website and place the orders in the website also. But in WhatsApp, if you come, we will get a lot of collections, new collections as well. And always do remember to subscribe our channel. We have a lot of collections. Daily we will post our new collections in the video. All are fresh from Loom collection only. And happy Pongal. We are wishing you a happy Pongal and Sankranti. Thank you. Subscribe and share us. Always support Handloom. Thank you.